This isn't my...
No, who are you? Alright, cut.
My name is Bob.
Action.
This is a microwave.
Is it?
So, here's the plug.
Ooh.
So, there's 3 parts of it that go to 4 places. One of them goes to the light, one of them goes to the fuse, one of them goes to
Ground.
the ground, and one of them goes to the safety
Thermal overload.
the thermal overload.
Thermal underwear? What?
And
Christopher, stop.
there's a fan here because it blows the hot air into the microwave and it
To cool down what part?
cool down the magnetron.
So the air comes through here, cools this down, and blows out these holes in the back.
And then
What's this thing?
this.
Optimus Prime is a transformer
Transformer
because it transforms what?
transforms
Transforms the power from low voltage to high voltage.
and
What are the 3 switches for?
the 3 switches are
If they're broken and it was going with the door open, what would happen?
the radiation would come out and cook you.
Yep. So it has 3 door switches to protect you from that. But won't the microwaves come out these little holes?
And
Why?
because it's actually bigger than those,
Huh?
but you can't see them.
Okay. Why does it have so many buttons? What are those two?
That's to cook your food.
To program the microwave? So it has a brain. A computer board right there, that's the brain. Awesome. So what's your science experiment about?
What explodes in a microwave?
What happens to things when you put them in the microwave? All right.
So this is our first
Experiment.
experiment, and we are going to do a raw egg, and we are going to see what happens.
Is it going to explode?
Yes, I believe so.
Because of
The gas inside of it.
the pressure inside the egg? Because the moisture, because the water is going from a
Well, a
Liquid.
liquid to gas.
so which is expanding. Okay, let's see what it does. Go ahead and do it for 5 minutes.
How long have you been in for?
5 minutes.
Whoa! Booyah! Don't open it yet. Don't open it yet. Okay, but stop it.
Look at the steam coming out.
I'm gonna take this off. So
Booyah!
They'll take it up. Well, you want to be able to see when you open the door.
It's okay. You can leave the flashlight on. It's not gonna hurt.
whoa!
Oh, it's cooked too. Man. one that gets a good thing that's not my microwave.
Wow, that was awesome.
So it took 1 minute and 1 second to fully cook and explode.
Well, yeah.
And I believe this is a 1000-watt microwave.
Well, we better get cleaning.
Confirmed.
Looks like it was starting to crack. Because you can see there's a little bit of wet.
What are the choices on
So this is part 2 on things not to blow up, put in your microwave and cook them.
What do you have now?
I'm going to put in some staples, and I think that they are going to have a weird shocking thingy shock it, and we shall see. How long?
Do it for a minute.
Maybe you should screw back a little bit. So why is it? Okay, is that good? So did this.
Alright, go ahead and hit cancel.
Yeah, I
It's okay,
prefer
okay.
you guys scoot back a little.
Alright.
And smoke comes out. So the shorter ones did it first.
Not all of them.
But
So
That's because microwaves don't hit every single part of the plate all the time.
So, 3
So did
remain.
that-
I'm gonna get the
Hot, hot, hot. Hot, hot. They're all hot.
okay.
Okay, so did that confirm your hypothesis?
Pretty much, but I thought it was going to like lightning go.
Nope, it was lightning between the metal, not from the microwave, huh?
So this is part 3 of my science experiment, and we are going to do a CD. I think it's going to melt because it's made out of plastic, and we shall see.
Okay, wait.
What is it?
Go ahead.
You got one. What is it?
CD.
So it looks like it's not just plastic there, huh? Some metal in it. All right, you want to open it?
Don't touch it though. Probably hot.
And that's the remains of the CD. So this is part 4, and we are doing the halogen light, and we are going to see what it's going to do.
And what do you think? What do you think the halogen light does?
I think it's going to light up.
Because there's gases in them.
And the gas will get excited.
Oop, looks like one of them burnt up. All right, stop it. We're on fire.
What happened? Is there a
One-
leftover or something?
Looks like one of the bulbs burnt up. There is metal inside of those too. All right, try not to breathe the gases.
Open the window,
This
please.
is part 5 of my science project, and we are going to see what happens to a bar of soap. I think it's going to melt, and we shall see.
Smells better.
There's a bubble growing. There's more bubbles. Growing big.
So can it get out the sides?
Oh, it does smell better.
Still 12.
Okay, go ahead and open the door. Keep your eyes back. Keep your eyes back. Keep your eyes back so it doesn't explode in your face.
Well, you can always wear goggles too.
I don't get what keep your eyes.
Well, you don't want soap in your eyes.
That pretty much melted like you thought it would.
But it melted in an interesting way. Like center out.
That's
This is part 6 of my science project, and we're doing marshmallows.
what do you think's gonna happen?
And I think they're gonna expand and pop. Whoa. I'm guessing expanding is correct. I wonder if it's going to pop.
Okay, now open the door.
Whoa! Is that the marshmallow?
Yeah.
Are they normal size?
Yes, they were normal size.
They were.
Wow.
It didn't pop though. So if that happened, what do you think's gonna happen?
When we put this in it.
Careful, that's hot for a minute. Go ahead and just drop it out.
So
So we put a hole in the top to, so it has a spot to relieve the pressure. Come on, Colin. Fix the tray so it can turn.
You do. Whoa! Wait a second. Hold on. Your haircut looks good. Standing over there.
We put a hole in the top to relieve the pressure.
I'm not sure if that's just
Not the top.
It's curling.
Can you put a napkin in there?
Mm-hmm.
All right, hit clear. Don't open it yet.
Was it still on?
Let's give it a minute before you open the door. Just in case that's under too much pressure.
You don't want to get fluffified.
Is that what you expected?
Not really. So, can I open it now?
Go ahead.
Wow.
I want to go and play in it.
So it looks
That'll
like
be-
shaving cream.
Should taste it. It'll be kind of hot though.
Yeah, don't bring it in.
You put your hand by it and see if it's warm.
Kind of. It's pretty good.
That's sugar. Pure sugar.
This is my science project part 7. And this time we're doing dry ice. I don't really know what's going to happen. So
Just guess.
I'm going to see.
What do you think?
I think going to melt.
Okay.
Did you weigh it before you put it in there? So you can see what the difference was? Napkin is not what we clean it
It's melting.
Okay, let's go ahead and open it. Did it change?
Shiny.
Looks the same, doesn't it? Only difference is the tray's getting hot. So the tray's gonna melt it a little bit. Right now you have 5.5 ounces. Let's do it for another minute.
So you think this would be alright? I mean, just for the experience of it, right? So 3.5 inches? Can I use your toes for a second?
It's hot.
Still 5.5 ounces.
It's a gas coming. It
No,
goes
it's
straight
it's a
from,
solid.
yeah, but it's frozen gas. So it goes
Feel the
from
plate.
straight from a solid to a gas.
Warm.
Okay, so the plate's absorbing microwaves, but it's not dissolving this because it's not water. And frozen or solid carbon dioxide doesn't absorb microwaves. So you have the same amount of ice now as you did when you started. Do you want to go longer, or what do you want to do?
I'm not sure.
Go for the soap.
It's kind of bizarre, huh? You thought it would melt. That did not melt. It's because it's not liquid. Quit thinking of it as water. It's not water.
This is my science project part 8, and we are doing soap again.
A full bar?
A full bar.
What kind is this? Does it say on the top?
Kind of hard to read.
Ivory.
Ivory. And
What's
I
going to happen?
think that it's going to bubble like the last one.
Going to melt?
Melt. How much? Saucy. Saucy.
That's so cool. How to wash your microwave. And then bar soap.
Whoa. Alrighty. Gotta keep going. This is gonna be hard to clean up.
Is it turning colors?
No.
All right, go ahead and stop it.
Whoa.
Smells better.
Smells good. That looks soft.
Mom wants to take a bath.
I do.
Can't touch it.
It's probably
It's going to be hot.
Put your hand near it and feel its heat.
Hey, there you go. Is it hot?
It's like dry. It's weird.
Oh my goodness. Look at this, Coleman.
Looks
There's
like
the
looks like a
bar.
wasp's nest.
Look.
And here's the bar.
Look at this. Hold this.
This is
So light. I wonder if it like got lighter compared to the actual
and
bar.
that's the
So
remains
So did it
of
change
the bar
forms?
soap.
That's messy.
oh, that's the paper towel.
No, that's the
No.
soap.
We didn't have a paper towel.
Oh, we
in
did
here.
it?
No,
It looks
this
like
is
a
a
paper
napkin.
towel.
It's soft.
This is
Action.
my science project part 9, and we're doing a boiled egg, and I think it's going to explode like the last one.
So the fresh egg exploded. You think a boiled egg will explode too?
Yeah.
All right. We should have timed how long the other one took.
It was 1 minute and 1 second.
Oh, that's right. That's right. Okay, here's 1 minute. Let's see if it blows up after a minute too.
Patriotic.
Whoa.
Whoa, that was violent.
Yep, that was louder
There's like
than
smoke coming out of the top.
just like last time.
You want to open it?
That was violent. That was way more violent than the other one.
I think it had much more.
Carnage.
How much time?
1 minute.
1 minute.
I mean, wait,
Did it
50
beep?
something.
50 something seconds that time?
Well, I think it did beep.
That was the wrong towel to use for that.
Sorry. Go blow your nose. It's dripping.
Coleman is offset. Cut!
So this is my science project, part 10, and we are doing ice,
Liquid water ice,
liquid water ice,
5.6 ounces.
and I think it's just going to melt in the microwave. We shall see.
This looking weird again.
That's never good. Alrighty.
So just grab the ice cubes and put them on the thing here. Leave your. I'll show you how much is melted away.
Wow.
Now we're down
Not
to
that much.
4.9. Yeah, but as it kept going, it would lose a lot each time. So that's this. So this rag is very wet. So now you can take this off, and you can see how much water weight you lost. Almost an ounce.
Huh?